I had a long day playing basketball. My feet sure hurt.
Hey, today we're going to check out this product. It's a foot massage mat. Comes in a box. So here is the foot massage mat. Black, soft material. Here's the instruction manual. Also includes the C-port charger and the cable. We're going to press this M button for a couple seconds and it turns on. And it's got different modes on each side, 4 on each side. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see the different modes, and you get them by pressing the M button in the middle. And if you want to increase your intensity, there's a plus and a minus button. Increase it on this plus button, decrease it on this minus. It'll give you a 20-minute massage and then it'll automatically shut off. So to charge it, plug it in for 30 minutes and then you're ready to go again. Time for my little 20-minute foot massage. Depending on the intensity, you might even feel it in your legs. Okay, every time you change a level, you're gonna have to readjust the intensity. To clean it, you just simply wipe it down. Okay, take it off, unsnap it, fold it in half, or roll it up, whatever you prefer. It's very manageable, easy to manipulate, and then just put it in your backpack, and you're ready to go. You're a tap jazz dancer or some other type of professional dancing. Maybe you're athletic and do various sports. Maybe you're always on your feet exploring, hiking, doing other things. Give your feet a break and use the foot massager mats. You may benefit from muscle relaxation, pain relief, and improved circulation. Thank you for watching.